Ruby, get it. Get it. Here, here. Look.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind going up
Look.
there. I wouldn't mind going there again
Look.
and look around again. Well, more don't need to, though.
Ruby.
I got pay bills.
Get it. Get it. Come here, girl. Hey.
What point is it?
Hi, pretty girl.
Oh, you want it?
Ruby. Say hi.
God damn it, that's what you said you wanted.
Ruby, get it.
Oh, yeah. It shoots all right.
Get it.
I mean, I saw it. Oh, you gonna buy this? You want this? Go see if they stop for Tiffany? Yeah. Well, it's light. I mean, it's not like Woodstock M22.
Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come here. Let's go over here. Get up in your chair.
Got a 50-round clip. Do you have any of those guns with rivers like that?
You're such a big girl.
Yeah. A 10
You want a treat? You want a treat? Hold on. Here. Want a treat? You want a treat? There you go. Uh-oh. Look how dirty you are.
Well, that part make her a good little gun. It's light. I mean,
Let's clean your eyes out.
And don't have to worry about beating the stock up. Yeah. It's got a scope on it.
You gonna be pretty? Oh, pretty girl. You still have stuff in your eyes.
I don't know. I just took it down there and shot at the field there. I wasn't shooting at
Her.
nothing. With that many shells, you don't have to be too accurate, just in the general direction.
Say hi.
It don't have the factory clip with it. It's just got. Of course, they probably got them up at that gun show.